What's going on, everyone? Welcome to A Few Minutes. So today we're going to be talking about Discord. Let's say you don't know what it is. Basically, you're going to go to your app store, you're going to download the Discord app, and you're going to just basic sign up information, guys, your name and maybe a phone number or something. It's real basic. After you do that, and after you create an account, you could go to any of my newer videos or any of my videos, and in the description below, you're going to click the invite link that I have for Discord. You'll find that in the description. Once you click that link, you're going to come over to this page right here. And basically all this is over here we got the chat rooms on the left, we got all of our members on the right, and all the chats that are going on in the middle of the page, depending on what chat room you're on. So the first things I want you to do when you come over is, one, just for fun, we have a Where in the World tab. As you can see right here, the last person that checked in was Portland, and then we got someone from Pittsburgh. It's just people all over the world checking in just to let us know where they're at. Just makes it a little unique, makes it fun. The second thing I want you to do is I want you to check in on what type of warehouse you work at. So you come in here, you say, I work in dairy warehouse, produce warehouse, I work in deli dairy, so you list all that here. And why do we want that is because it's unique, because someone just posted something on here the other day and they said, I work in a deli dairy. Well, I went over here and I tagged the people that work in a deli dairy for this person that's asking those questions. Because remember, I work in dairy, I work in produce, that's it. So after that, let's say you work in a dry goods warehouse, we're going to click the case selection for dry. And as you can see right here, some new selector posted their picture up there. This is my work. What am I doing wrong? Can I do something different? And then you get the people that start commenting, experienced selectors helping out new selectors. It's a very unique way to navigate over here. And if you guys want to instant message anybody, you just click on the name over here and then you just message them. It's as simple as that. It's a very unique thing for this warehouse community, helping out new selectors like crazy. If you're interested, Discord link is in the description below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Have a great day.